Hello, I'm Danny, a service coordinator at the Regional Center here in Sunnytown, California. Today, I'd like to discuss requirement number 10 of the HCBS Final Rule, accessibility. This requirement states that your home must be easily accessible for all that live there. Let's return to Sunny Oaks and see how a game show, a cold breakfast, and a 24-hour construction crew help Lorenzo feel more at home.
Okay, the bus leaves in 30 minutes.
I can't believe we got front row seats to a taping of...
Wheel of Jeopardy!
Excuse me.
Hey Dex, what would you do with the jackpot?
I would buy the Samurai Lanterman action figure, valued at $400.
Good morning. Anyone brew coffee?
Come on, guys. Let's make a game plan over breakfast.
Hey, wait for me. I'll be right in. All right, let's do this.
Come on, Lorenzo. The bus will be here any minute.
Lorenzo, slow down. You'll choke.
No time, gotta roll.
So, I've noticed you've been having some difficulty making breakfast.
It's no big deal. I don't really think about it.
Okay. What suggestions would you make if you were to think about it?
Well, since you asked.
You don't think about it, huh?
I mean, it does cross my mind occasionally.
I figured. Can I keep this?
Yeah, sure.
Come on, guys. The bus is here.
Hey, Danny. It's Nova.
I can't believe they gave us the at-home version of...
Wheel of Jeopardy!
Can we play?
Let's get cleaned up, make dinner, and then we can play and eat.
I'll catch up with you guys. I'm going to go get a head start on dinner. Oh, are you guys done playing?
What? No, we haven't even started.
We don't need these pieces until round 3. Wheel of Fire.
Hey, how was the taping? Is Pat Playback as handsome in person?
Yeah, but he's no Baskin Robbins.
So, Lorenzo, what do you think of the renovations?
Renovations? I was in such a hurry to play, I didn't even notice any.
Well then, follow me. I called the regional center after you left. Danny connected me with Country Oaks. They just remodeled their kitchen and had some extra supplies. So I called their contractor and he came over today.
You did this for me? Thank you, Nova.
You're welcome. So, should we join the others for game night?
You go ahead. I'll be right there. Hey, babe. Yeah, the taping was great. But you know what's even better? Nova remodeled the kitchen today. Lowered some of the counters. Moving here was the best decision I ever made.
Although Sunny Oaks was up to code, Nova realized it still wasn't functional for Lorenzo. So she took charge and reached out to me with some ideas. Accessibility is never optional. Now, this got solved in a day, because, well, it's a cartoon. But in the real world, your service providers are responsible for making sure your home is accessible. When there is a challenge, collaboration between you, your service provider, and the regional center can create positive change. Bottom line, it's your home and it must be accessible. Remember, your planning team strives to be person-centered in all they do. And that person in the center is you.